Understanding by Design, or UBD, is an educational planning approach developed by Grant Wiggins and Jay McTighe. UBD is an example of backward design, the practice of looking at outcomes in order to design curriculum units, performance assessments, and classroom instruction. The UBD framework offers a three-stage backward design process for curriculum planning and includes a template and set of design tools that embody the process. A key concept in UBD framework is alignment. All three stages must clearly align not only to standards, but also to one another. In other words, the Stage 1 content and understanding must be what is assessed in Stage 2 and taught in Stage 3. In Stage 1, curriculum writers transcribe the standards to be taught onto the first section of the instructional planning guide template. The standards were color-coded to identify which standards were power standards and process or skill-based. They then began the very demanding task of breaking those standards down to generate statements of understanding, essential questions, statements of knowledge, and statements of skill. Stage 1 is based on the premise that curriculum and teaching should focus on the development and deepening of student understanding and transfer of learning. For example, the ability to effectively use content, knowledge, and skills. Therefore, all work on Stages 2 and 3 should constantly be developed around the work done in Stage 1. The focus in Stage 2 now shifts towards summative assessment. Curriculum writers considered in advance the assessment evidence needed to document and validate that the targeted learning has been achieved. In Stage 2, we distinguish between two broad types of assessment: performance tasks and other evidence. The performance tasks ask students to apply their learning to new and authentic situations. Other evidence consists of more traditional means of summative assessments, such as paper-pencil tests that consist of selected and constructed response items, essays, or other forms of writing. In Stage 3, curriculum writers identified resources and planned exemplar lessons to address the desired results of Stage 1 and to prepare students for the evidence of learning identified in Stage 2. Each instructional planning guide consists of a pre-assessment section, essential vocabulary, at least one exemplar lesson, resources for teachers to use, and ideas for differentiation.